Hey guys, welcome back. We're at the beautiful Cocoa Beach Pavilion today and it's stunning. Show you a little bit here. We're gonna be heading over to the ramps this way to see what we can find today. Be right back with you. All right, everybody, welcome back. Like I said, we're out here at the Cocoa Beach Pavilion. We're gonna be doing some magnet fishing. I imported some people here. We got the family from North Carolina. Yeah, Papa Phil, he's been in the video before. Mama's here. We got the sister. We got Mr. Reed over here that's going to be magnet fishing with us as well. I'm going to be using the 550 Pro from UK. One of the gentlemen will be using the new 1200 pound from Road Magnetics, and then we have the 1500 pound double-sided as well that we'll be getting out there. Oh, and Director of Operations are here. Where's the Director of Operations? Can you say hello? Hey. Let's not waste too much time and get right to it. Thank you all for watching. But Phil's got to work over here already. I'm gonna get my magnet in. All right, well, Phil's on it already. What are we pulling up here, brother? Whoa!
It's like a
nice.
Looks like it could have been a banister. No, that's off of a boat.
Yep, it is.
That's a canopy off of a boat.
That's a boat canopy right there. Phil coming in strong. I mean, what, third toss out there? You got a lead weight on here too. There we go. Nice lead weight on there. That is a boat canopy. There's where the other part of it goes, right there. All right, I got to get my magnet in the water. Oh, you did mention something about that. Well, we got something there. What do we got? Part of an old spring or something. All right, I got my first find. Got a little spring. Need a new bracelet?
I'm a pass.
You okay? It's in there.
I feel good about it.
Okay.
It's real pretty.
Weird. Oh, weird. Something in there. A big old nasty bolt. It's a big old bolt there. What you got? Let's take it. What do we got here?
Angle iron, little piece of angle iron or something.
Yeah. All right. Now we're cleaning up trash. You never know.
Some plastic.
All right, prized possession of the day here. I will have to edit that part out.
Where you going, Nick?
Gotta keep moving. Gotta keep moving. Gotta keep moving. Gotta keep moving. Gotta keep. Whoa. What in the world? All right, on it.
What is it?
I don't know. It's something big down there.
Got an old ramp.
Oh, I mean, it's hitting on something. Oh.
It's long.
It's an old rail. Yeah, it's an old rail. That's why I couldn't get that sucker up. Watch yourself.
Let it drain.
Yeah.
That's a
Ooh, that's either a bike rack or an old gate that they used to have up here or something. Amanda. Yeah. Yeah. Let that thing drain. Whew, it was hitting on something. Woo. Excuse me. How are y'all doing? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, exactly. Right there. Ah. Another big old bolt. Yeah, it's another big old bolt. What do we got there? Well, that's the handle to a knife there. Yep, there's little rivets on it. It's an old knife. It's pretty cool. I think Phil just pulled something else up over there. What you got there? Old rope? All right. What is that? All right. Somehow we got caught on it. I'll take that, guys. There's another lead weight. Perfect for the scrap bucket. And that was brand new. We got there. I think it's about a 2-ouncer. And Phil got him part of a rope. Seems to be getting stuck on something over here. Moved on over. See if we can find anything here.
That's your first fish you caught?
What's that?
That's the first fish you ever caught?
Yeah, like that. Yeah, that was fun to get out too.
We were sitting on top there on the balcony eating, and I was like, they're carrying a fence out of here.
It's crazy how much is in the water, man.
Anything good?
We found some cool stuff. Pulled up a couple safes, some boat propellers. I mean, I find tools, and I never got to buy fishing gear again. What's that? It's like just an old screw. Found the handle for a knife blade over there. No blade on it, but the handle was on it. What do we got there? It is. Oh, that thing. I sheared that off. Look how it was cut.
Cut it off.
Cut it for something. Yeah. All right. Yep. No. I got a couple chunks of metal on the side of it. I'm ripping it apart. We got it. We got it. We got it. There we go. That's part of it. I swear, and it looks like it's cut, just like it's, I mean, whew. That's been down there for a minute. All right, some of you guys might remember, this looks like that was here at this spot before. A lot of people told me it might be metal that was blown off of a house or top of a shed or something. I really believe it to be an old John boat that's just deteriorated. There we go. Get that out of the water. I don't know what that stuff is, but the world? I don't know. Got a couple pieces of metal on here. Ow. Part of an old hook. I don't know. And this is something that looks like somebody cut this. Maybe, oh, I think it was an old, maybe a lock. Somebody cut it. Huh. Absolutely beautiful here, guys. If you ever have a chance, you're in the Space Coast of Florida, we're out at the Cocoa Beach Pavilion. I mean, awesome fishing, beautiful scenery, and they got restaurants and little shops all up here in a park. It's a great place to come. All right, everybody, we're gonna go ahead and head out of here. I had a good time. Did you have a good time, Phil?
Absolutely.
Yeah, all right, he was the first one on something today, so I appreciate him coming out. We appreciate you guys tagging along with us as always. If you liked the video, drop a thumbs up, drop me a comment down below. I'm answering them every chance I get. And everybody remember, get up, get out, and go find yourself. Peace out, everybody.